Veal scallopini is honestly a classic in my kitchen. It's warm and simple and features this incredible lemon caper pan sauce. The road to a person's heart is found in the stomach. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where, you know it, the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name's Yanni, and today we're making veal scallopini. Fancy enough for a dinner party, but also easy enough for a weeknight. You're not gonna break your back making this. All in all, it's just a super versatile dish to have on hand. Before we begin this delicious recipe, do not forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our notification bell. Let's get into it. First, prepare the veal. If you're using veal cutlets, pound the cutlets into 1/8 inch thick slices. In a bowl, place the flour and season it with salt and pepper, and mix this until it's well combined. We're gonna sear the veal in oil, and we just wanna make sure that not only the veal is seasoned throughout, but also the flour mixtures as well. Lightly coat each piece of veal with the seasoned flour. Now we're gonna cook the veal scallopini. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once the butter has melted, add the veal cutlets and cook them on both sides for 1 to 2 minutes each. Now don't overlap the veal when you're doing this. You want to work in batches if necessary. This is going to make sure that we get as much mired browning and flavor as possible. Set the veal aside. Add the cremini mushrooms and cook until the mushrooms are tender, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the capers, my favorite part, to the skillet, and let these cook for about 30 seconds. Add a dry white wine to deglaze the skillet and scrape up any of those brown fond bits at the bottom of the pan. Add the chicken stock and simmer this, stirring occasionally until the sauce reduces by half. Whisk in the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter, lemon juice, and finely chopped parsley to create a delicious pan sauce. Season the sauce with salt and pepper. Pour the sauce over the mushroom and veal and garnish with lemon slices and even more fresh parsley for brightness. Serve with arugula, buttered pasta, however you want this. Serve it up, babes, and enjoy. For the full recipe, please head to the description box below, or you can go to cozymeal.com/recipes. We have this recipe, but also a whole library of others for you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios.